You just like got excited or something.
Okay, so this is like the little grocery haul that we did today from Wegmans. Ignore the background in my living room because we don't have any lamps back there yet, so it's kind of like freaky looking, so I apologize for that. Anyways, this is all the stuff that we got. I believe the budget that I made at first was something like $50. We did end up getting like some extra stuff though. And there's my cat. There's Minxie. Hi, baby. But this is a lot of stuff for vegetarian meals mostly, with a couple of exceptions because my fiance is not a vegetarian, but he does eat a lot of vegetarian food with me, which I'm appreciative of. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. We've got some butter pecan ice cream, which I love. We got some potatoes. Some ham for sandwiches and stuff like that. Not for me, but for Ethan. We've got some cage-free eggs. We've got some honey wheat bread. Pepper, because we ran out of that. Young green jackfruit, which I'm hoping is good. I have a chicken salad recipe that I'm going to make with that, so hopefully it'll turn out. Please excuse my cat. She wants attention right now. We've got some white vinegar for this mango salad dressing that we're gonna make. Some frozen peas and carrots. We've got a couple packs of noodles. We've also got some applesauce back here just for a nice little snack. Some applesauce is always good, I think. Some Chobani flips, and it's the s'mores kind, which looked pretty good. We've got some Wegmans flavored coffee, which I'm excited to try this. It's the salted caramel kind, which I feel like flavored coffees can either be really good or just kind of, I'm hoping it'll be good. They normally at least smell really good. We've got some green onions. We've got some parsley for recipes. We've got some clementines for like another snack. Mango for the mango salad dressing we're gonna make. Some lemons, some portobello mushrooms, there's my cat again, and some lettuce for the guinea pigs. Oh, and some parsnips. But it actually ended up being more like, let's see, 54 plus 22. It ended up being more like $76. So quite a bit over budget, but that's kind of to be expected if you shop at a place like Wegmans versus like Aldi's or Walmart or Food Lion, that kind of thing. I think they have some like cheaper produce, but sometimes when it comes to the other things, you can go a bit over budget on that. But still not too expensive for two people for an entire week. Bye.